Hello, all my dear students. Good morning to all of you. I will teach you science and chemistry first chapter, chemical reaction equation. All of you, welcome to the class 10th. This is the first chapter of the chemistry, chemical reactions and equations. What is a chemical reaction? Any reactions in which one or more substance are formed from a new, matlab two or more substance react to form a new substance is known as chemical reaction. It cannot be reversed like a physical method like magnetism, filtration. They cannot be reversed like filtration, but it can change the state, color, temperature, evolution of gas. You will note in these changes happening in the chemical reaction, a new state, solid to change into liquid. Color, there is a changes of color you will notice. You will notice the change in temperature. You will also notice the evolutions of gases in the chemical reaction, but you cannot be seen as a like a reversible by as a like a physical method in the chemical reactions. In the chemical reaction, there are two important things: reactant and product. Reactant which react to form a product. Reactant which take part in the chemical reaction, and the product which are formed like magnesium. Magnesium ribbons will bond with oxygen. They give magnesium oxide. Then magnesium ribbon and air, which is a oxygen. What they are the reactant called. And magnesium oxide, which is a forming a product, is called the products. So two important things are in the chemical reactions: reactant and products, which are mainly important and they mainly take part in the chemical reactions. Now, chemical equation. In the chemical equation, we use symbols. It is a means of representing a chemical equation by use of symbol and physical state. What are the physical state? There are four types of physical state: solid, liquid, gas and aqueous. You can see S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas and AQ for aqueous. Aqueous, in which a solution in which solvent is water, is called aqueous. You can take the example: magnesium ribbon, when burn in oxygen, they become magnesium oxide. Then magnesium and oxygen both are reactant called, and magnesium oxide is called the product. You can see we are using the symbol like magnesium plus oxygen. We are not writing the whole writing. We are writing in the form of simple short form. This is how we represent a chemical equations. Reactants in the product, you can see three. Hydrogen, there are two in the reactant, product also two, means it balance. Oxygen, there is a one in the reactant side, and the product, it is a it is a 4 oxygen. So means it is not balanced. मतलब ferrous and oxygen both are not balanced, but you can see in this slide that both the hydrogen is balanced. Now we have to balance the chemical equation to form a valid chemical equation. Now in this topic we will learn how do we balance the chemical equation. Like in the square box you can see iron, there were 3 in the product side and reactant only 1. So we multiply 3 in the reactant side. Oxygen, you can see there were 4 in the product side but only 1 in the reactant. We multiply 4 in the reactant side. How we write? 3 we write outside to the ferrous and 4 outside of the oxygen. You can see how it is written. You can see on the slide. Now in this, both the ferrous, there are 3 iron on the reactant, product also 3, oxygen also 4 oxygen on reactant and 4 on the product side, but hydrogen not balanced. So it is becoming 4 to the 8 on the reactant side, but product there are only 2 hydrogen. Then we balance by multiply 4 in both the sides, we get 8 to equal amount of hydrogen we get. This is, you can see on the slide how we have balanced it into this. Now we write the physical state, like iron is in solid form, water is in liquid form, ferric oxide is solid form, and hydrogen gas G. This is how we write a chemical equation, valid form of chemical equation. Why we need to balance the chemical equation? Because we know ELA class we have studied the law of conservation of mass. The mass can neither be created nor be destroyed but in a chemical reaction, and number of elements in the chemical reaction should remain the same in the reactant and the product side. So there were 3 Fe iron on the reactant side, so they should be also in the product side. Hydrogen was 8 in the reactant side, so in the product also 8. Oxygen number also 4 for reactant and product side should also be same. Therefore we need to balance the chemical equation because law of conservation says both sides will be have equal number of reactant product. There are types of chemical reaction. First reaction, there are 5 types. First is combination reaction. Combination name indicate when 2 things combine to form one single product, like A and B combine AB, like burning of coal, carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide. Formation of water, hydrogen plus oxygen, water, H2, water. You can see also we are representing the symbol form and we are representing physical state, like solid for carbon, G for gas, CO2 gas, water gas, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and water liquid. These two things are combined to form only single product. Therefore, they are named as combination reaction. They combine in one single product slipped into two or more substance. You can see A slipped into B and C. It is also of three types. Thermal decomposition. Thermal means it happen in thermal. Name indicate temperature, heat. Electrolytic means electricity present. Photolysis means in the sunlight. Photolight. In the sunlight present, decomposition reaction is carried out. Therefore, is known as photolysis decomposition reaction. In this same, a single product will break down into two or more product. It will be broken. You will be seeing the next slide how it is happening. Very important topic this chapter. First is thermal decomposition. I say really thermal means temperature, heat. Then you can see the calcium carbonate, which is in reactor, heat present break down to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. We have also mentioned the physics solid and gas. Electrolytic decomposition, notice that water in the presence of electricity break down to hydrogen and oxygen. In the single product break down to two or more product. You can see how in the presence of electricity and heat decomposition reaction is carried out, and we have maintained the physical state. Photolysis decomposition. Photolysis, it occurs in the presence of sunlight, like AgCl, silver chloride break down into silver and chlorine. This reaction has been used in black and white photography. The photograph we take and we want black and white, then this type of reaction, photolysis decomposition reaction, is carried out in. So there are three types of decomposition reaction: heat, light and electricity. Different. Now third type of reaction, displacement. Name indicate one element displace another element. Like you can see Fe, iron, copper sulfate, and we got FeSO4 and copper is displayed out. But sulfate, from the sulfate copper is displayed out and iron added to it. Like in the two test tube we are taken and the copper sulfate test tube and we put iron aid into it. It became brown in color. You can see in the picture also seen one element displacing other element, and FeSO4 coat is formed with the iron aid, therefore it is turned brown. You can see in the picture also. Double displacement, as name indicate, two elements are displacing each other. Ions are exchanging of ions take place in this. You can see the sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Barium sulfate and sodium chloride form. Sodium had displaced barium and it formed sodium chloride, and barium then added to a sulfate displaced sodium and became barium sulfide. Means they are both are replacing each other. Na is emitted out and barium is added to it, and Na occupy the space of, therefore precipitation reaction. Oxidation reduction, fifth reaction. Oxidation, the addition of oxygen, name indicate oxidation, or removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. You can see in the example also copper, oxygen. This addition of oxygen, therefore known as oxidation. In the next reaction you can see that the oxygen is adding to a hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen to a substance, addition of hydrogen to any substance taking place, therefore non-reduction. And the same reaction next wali, you will see the hydrogen getting the oxygen, then it is known as oxidation, and one oxygen is removing from copper oxide, then copper only forming, then reduction. Both the reaction occurring in the same reaction, oxidation reduction, therefore the second one is called redox reaction. Both the reaction occurring same. Effect of oxidation in daily life. Corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion, what is the corrosion? When any metal surface exposed to a layer of air, water, moisture, the metal surface became weak and it became rust or corrode. Rusting of iron, black coating on silver, or green coating on copper. You have seen on the silver particle. This is because of contact of any of the metal surface in contact with moisture, air, water. Next, effect of oxidation, rancidity. You have seen the oxidation fats and oil when exposed to air. Any fat things when exposed to air, they became oxidation. Their bad smells come, and taste of food also became smell. Therefore you have known the Uncle Chip packets, lot of air is filled. The air is of nitrogen, so that the food item present in the chips does not get oxidized. The smell does not taste. Therefore we fill with nitrogen, we flush with the nitrogen. Therefore the effect of oxidation, corrosion and density. Different effect occurs on the food item and metal. Chemical reaction, the other two types which also on the basis of temperature. Exothermic name indicate exo means heat releasing reactions. You can see burning of natural gas, how the reaction taking place, and there is a radiation of heat. In endothermic reaction, in the energy is required in the form of heat, light, and electricity. You note the combination reaction, two things are combining. Though exothermic reaction is a combination reaction, endothermic reaction, heat, light, electricity is involved. This is similar to like to decomposition reaction, which require energy like heat, light, electricity. Decomposition also require to endothermic reaction, decomposition reaction. Exothermic reaction like the combination reactions. Both the reaction are just similar to combination and decomposition reaction. So in this reaction, how the exothermic heat release and endothermic reaction, we require heat in the form of heat, light, and electricity. Therefore, endo is decomposition reaction. Exo, the two things are combining. Therefore